it's Christina with My Confection Obsession, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a panda cake. So the reason that I wanted to make this cake is pandas have always been one of my favorite animals, and I actually haven't seen a lot of panda cakes out there, so I decided to create one on my own. So I have my cake nice and prepared, and another thing that I did ahead of time is I actually cut out templates for all the different shapes that I'm going to be using. I do this a lot when I'm adding fondant details to cakes, and I find that I get a much better outcome because I can kind of place the shapes where I want them and I can make things symmetrical. So I definitely suggest that you guys make your own templates before you create this cake at home as well. All right, so let me show you kind of what I mean by that. So you're gonna see I cut out these shapes here, and I'm gonna be making my panda's face actually on top of the cake, something a little different. And so here I'm gonna be putting my black around the eyes, and these are gonna be my panda's ears. So I can kind of place it to make sure that I like where it's headed. So with that, I'm gonna go ahead and start with some black fondant and start cutting some of these shapes out. All right, so I'm gonna take a little bit of black fondant, and when I roll my fondant out, I do wanna make sure that I have some cornstarch down so that it doesn't stick. Any of my fondant dab and hold, I'm actually going to just place these where I think I like them. Stand on my tiptoes because I'm short. So I think I like that placement there. So what I'm going to be using is my Wilton Dab and Hold, and I use this stuff constantly, and if you guys haven't used it yet, I definitely suggest it. It's pretty life-changing, and I use it for all of my fondant details. You can use water too, but this works so much better. So the next thing I'm going to do is add just the whites of his eyes. I'm going to add a little bit of pink for our panda's cheeks. So for our panda's body, I did the same thing by cutting out a template. So I went ahead and cut this out ahead of time. And I wanted to make my panda kind of chubby, so I cut that for his body. And then I did cut some arms for him here, and he's gonna have little feet down here. So his body's gonna be white and his legs are gonna be black. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and glue his body on. So the last thing I'm gonna add to our cake is just a little bit of color. So I'm gonna give our panda a bamboo shoot. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial on how to make a panda cake, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and of course you can find me on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter.